back, YouTube. Just the vet selling cars here. So we're going to do a side-by-side comparison to the 2022 GMC Terrain. I do not have a base model, so I had to pick an elevation, which is just an appearance package. But I also have the off-road AT4 package that I'm going to show you. So you can do a side-by-side comparison. If you're in the market for a small to mid-size SUV and you don't know which one to get, maybe this video will help you out. But enjoy the video. Thanks for tuning in, and have a good one. First glance, they look very, very similar. So we're going to break them down to show the benefits of each, maybe the pros and cons. Because on the outside, to the naked eye, they look pretty much identical. Maybe you guys caught a couple things, but I'll break it down for you. So going over the window sticker of the AT4 model, you'll see its ending MSRP is $42,110. Now that's for this specific vehicle. Now you only get 4-wheel drive in the AT4 option. So if you're driving in southern states, that 2-wheel drive mode is not an option. My exact vehicle has the infotainment package 2 added, which cannot be added on the SLE model. It has the GMC Pro Safety Plus package that comes standard now. The 3 years OnStar connected services, that's something new we just started getting in the last couple months, because with 3 year of OnStar and Wi-Fi. And this does have the Skyscrape, which is also available in any trim. And you do have the tech package there as well. Looking at the SLE model, you'll see a much less MSRP, $36,785. So it still comes with the OnStar. That's pretty much a standard across the board. This one does have the added power tailgate. That is not a standard feature on the SLE. So if you need that power tailgate, you have to add that option or go to a different trim level. And then the Elevation Edition, it's about $1,000. That's the black exterior and the black wheels. And infotainment package 1 is added as well. Infotainment package 2 is standard on. Coming into the AT4, the first thing you notice, these buttons. That is your memory seating. That is not available in the SLE model. So if you need programmable seats, you do have to jump up to the higher trim level. Another thing you notice is the Bose sound system. That is a 7-speaker system with the multi-touch with navigation infotainment. That comes standard on, or that's available on the AT4 and not the Elevation, but you can upgrade to the tech package, which the other one does have. Power driver seat, standard in the AT4. That is an option in the SLE. And to get a power passenger seat, you need a higher trim level than the SLE, so that'd be SLT and above. I wanted to show you guys one of the cool startup features in the AT4, but I'm going to spin this round and have you guys check it out, see if you notice anything. That is the heads-up display. I think that's so cool. So you have the buttons over here. So you can move the display up and down to wherever you're sitting with your seat. You can increase the brightness or decrease it. But it's one of the coolest features. You cannot get this on an SLE. So the major thing is seating. You need to ask yourself, do you want cloth or do you want leather? Do you have kids that are going to make it messy? Do you have dogs that are going to shed everywhere? Usually the answer is I need leather if you have dogs or kids, because it does make messes easier to clean up. But no matter which route you pick, they're both comfortable. And it's totally Skyscape roof. This thing is massive. So anyone that does get this feature, they're going to love it. It is standard on an AT4 and optional on an SLE, but if you hate sunroofs, that's okay, but I don't know why you would not like this. This thing is amazing. We're gonna hop in the SLE model and see if you can spot right away. No memory seats, no Bose. It doesn't have the Bose upgrade. You do get the power driver seat. That is becoming more and more standard, but you do not get the passenger power seat. You do get the cloth interior. It is high quality cloth though. It's super comfortable. Still a great ride. Missing the heads up display there, but a lot of the other features do look pretty similar. So you still have the 8-inch multi-touch, and CarPlay is one of the newer features that are getting put as a standard in cars. It's probably my most used feature. You do have the automatic start stop. That comes on pretty much every vehicle these days. And selectable 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, off-road. That is standard on all these vehicles. So nothing changes in interior dimensions between the trim lines. So the size and space is always the same. This one did come with the power tailgate, which, remember, you have to add it to the SLE model. Rundown. If you don't need all-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and you want to conserve fuel mileage, maybe stick with the SLE. So there is about a 2 mile per gallon difference when you jump from the front-wheel drive to the all-wheel drive. We're from southern New York, so all-wheel drive is pretty much a must around here. They both have the same engine. It's a 1.5 liter turbo 4-cylinder. They all have the 9-speed automatic transmission. Both models have the GMC Pro package, so they do share a lot of similarities, but I mean, it's a completely different experience when you sit in an AT4 as if you sit in a Denali. So if you don't need all the bells and whistles, maybe go with the SLE, save you like 5-6 grand. But if you want to feel a touch of luxury when you get in a vehicle, have like heads-up display, AT4 is a good choice for you. But that's a quick rundown of both vehicles. If you guys have any questions, just leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share, ring that bell for notifications. I'm trying to build up a decent YouTube page, maybe help out some people. But yeah, I'm in southern New York. If you ever want to buy a vehicle, just shoot me a message. But thank you for your time. This is Just a Vet Selling Cars. Have a good one, guys.